Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Hope that you all are doing great and I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty God. So right now I'm here at Sheikh Russell Nagar Park, which located at Deobok inside Naranganj city. And today, my year final exam actually going on, but after giving 3 exams, today I got a break. So that's why I thought I should come here and make a video. And today mainly for making some videos, I have come here. And it's a very beautiful shiny morning in our city. Just look at the view of this lake. It's really beautiful. This is a very beautiful lake. This lake has a long lake inside this park, and it's really beautiful. Okay, so as you know that my year final exam is actually going on and it will be finished 12th June. But after giving 3 exam, as I mentioned that today I have got a free time and today I have come here with my friends Mujahid. Do you know Mujahid? Yeah, when I last time came here, I made a video with Mujahid, and Mujahid is really a beautiful person. And yeah, he's really intelligent boy and I really love to come here. And I always try to learn something from him. So that's why maybe I really love him, and I really feel good to have these kinds of friend in my life. He's really talented, I must say this. Okay, so it has been a long time. When I last time came here, it was maybe 1 month ago. And I was thinking about this, that it's been a long time that I'm not coming at this park. So that's why when I today I got a break, so I have come here in order to make video as well as spend my beautiful morning here. Just look at this. Well, when I was coming at this park, on that time I saw a lot of people come in the morning. Usually they come to do their morning work, or some people come here to do their yoga. They are very concerned about their health, and they always try to lead a good healthy life. So that's why they come in the morning and take some physical exercise and get the fresh air, and it's very important. I also try to, when I at my home, other time I try to take some physical exercise like push up, sit up at my house. And I also think that it's very important to lead a good life, because when you take physical exercise, it will give you mental health, mental peace. You will feel good. And yeah, that's why it's very important to take physical exercise regularly. Well, so a lot of people also do their yoga at this park. There are some 1 or 2 clubs from where some people take the do their yoga here. So it's really beautiful park. It's the morning time, that's why it's empty. But when it's afternoon, you will find so many people, and on that time it's really it will be crowded. And usually if you tell me what time I love to come here, it will be morning time, because on that time there is no people. It's full claim, and I'm enjoying the beautiful nature here. That this park has a lot of trees, a lot of big trees, a lot of good places where I can sit down and spend my time. That's why usually I love to come here in the morning time. My friend Mujahid is also like me. He's also want to come here in the morning time, because if you come here in the morning, then you will able to get fresh air. It not too much crowded, so you will spend your good time here. And yeah, that's why. But yeah, I come sometimes at afternoon, in the afternoon here, but not as much. I always try to come here in the morning time, and early in the morning. That's I try to. Okay, so I'm just practicing my English. I always love to make videos. In past few days I could not able to make video, as my exam is going on. So that's why on that time I was in I passing a very busy time right now with my study. So that's why when I got a break today, yesterday night, I thought I should come here today and make video. Well, maybe I will make more than 2 or 3 videos. Maybe I will try to make a video with my friend Mujahid. He is also a very good English speaker, and I always try to learn a lot of things from him. He's my school friend. From that time, I love to learn so many things from him, and still I'm learning. as you know that I'm making some mistakes when I speak in English. So that's why it's very important. If you learn from your friends, that even good it's, because they will not find your mistakes. They always try to motivate you. And Mujahid is also like this kinds of boy. He is really inspire. I personally look him. I really got a lot of inspiration, and I really, when I meet with him, I always ask him something that I made mistakes, and I love to share my mistakes with him. He always try to give me a best suggestion. He take time to think about the matter that I ask him, and then he give me answer. So okay, I don't want to make it more longer. It's a really beautiful morning, and I'm enjoying. I came here almost 1 hour ago. I talked with Mujahid for a long time. He gave me a lot of advice. How can I improve my English? So yeah, he's really good person. I must say this. You don't think you maybe think that I just praise about him, and not really. If you stay one day with him, you also talking like me. Okay, you will talk about him like the way I'm talking about him. Okay, so I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best.